Hello, Galaxy. I'm Chris Pirillo, and this is my view in fewer than two. Discord, it's there. You may not use it, but it's pretty much what IRC kind of was, only in many ways better, in some ways worse. I have not used IRC in ages. You might remember we had a chat room with the live.pirillo.com experience. Chat's still there. It's just powered by Twitch, at least as far as the live.pirillo.com stuff goes. And we also use Discord. Discord's replaced a great many vintage, retro web services like forums, chat, and beyond. Discord's always had this option, or at least as far back as I can remember, starting to use it, where you can pay to get Nitro, to unlock Nitro and get features. The problem is, and maybe I'm an anomaly, I don't know if I've yet to really see a benefit to pay for Discord, and I use Discord all the time. It's probably my favorite messaging platform, despite its shortcomings. Like, if you upload a file that's too big, it won't compress it. It'll just say, hey, it's too big. Like, you forget uploading little video clips. Photos can be challenging. There are limits, right? This gets nerfed, and that gives people potentially the incentive to pay to upgrade. And of course, there are other bonuses, like being able to unlock more characters in one particular post, which may be beneficial to you. I don't know. I guess I could figure out how to use ChatGPT or shorten this to fit in this many characters. Would I want to pay for Discord? Absolutely. Am I paying for Discord? I've yet to see a reason. I'm not a gamer. I guess I'm not as much of a power user as they need. I'm still waiting for Discord to roll out a power feature that I absolutely can't live without. And while I can't live without Discord, I can live without paying for Discord for what it offers.